There was a wolf named Willie who lived in the woods, and he was rough and tough as he could be. Through summer and through winter, he struggled to survive, and that was life as far as he could see. There was a dog named Dolly who lived in a house, and life for her was very far from hard. Her meals were always waiting, her bed was soft and clean, and she would often play out in the yard. One evening Willie happened to pass by her house, and he saw Dolly through the garden gate. She stood there in the moonlight, so lovely and so sleek, and he said, "Pretty lady, you look great." Well, Dolly smiled and told him, "I eat well each day, and I get brushed and groomed until I shine. In cold and stormy weather, I'm always safe and warm, and that's the reason why I look so fine." Now that's when Willie noticed her color and chain, and she said, "I'm tied up, as you can tell. My owner wants to make sure that I don't wander off, but otherwise I'm treated very well." He said, "I felt so jealous when I first saw you, but this is not a place where I could stay. I wouldn't trade my freedom to live a life of ease," and with those parting words he walked away. Who lived in the woods, and he was rough and tough as he could be. Through summer and through winter, he struggled to survive, and that was life as far as he could see. But Willie didn't mind, 'cause he was free. Old Willie didn't mind, 'cause he was free.